Scaling up is a component of or an initiative of the call to action, the National Park Service's set of actions to take us into the next century. And the scaling up action specifically is a way to catalyze the National Park Service, our employees, our partners, our stakeholders, and the public to understand that national parks really depend on and are linked to things going on outside their boundaries. So this concept of scaling up is about having national parks think about the context in which they're in and to use that perspective to help protect the resources that exist within national parks. It's a message that I give both to people within the Park Service but also to the people we work with outside parks and with other agencies and organizations, and that is that the mission of the National Park Service is to protect and conserve resources in perpetuity so that the values that are part of the national park system exist forever for our children and our children's children. In order to do that, we need to be thinking about how those values are affected by and interact with things outside of the parks. And so scaling up is so critically important because our ability to protect those values, for those things to be available for our children and our children's children, it means that we need to be thinking about those influences and working with our stakeholders and our partners and the public and with our own organization, the National Park Service, to scale up our perspectives and scale up our work.